how to record slow-mo videos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Camera app. After click on Camera app, you will see click on More. After click on More, you will see slow motion is here. Click on slow motion. After click on slow motion, hold phone and you will see start video. After make video, go back and click on gallery app and click on video. You will see slow mo video is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can record slow motion videos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.